Hey guys, my name is Chiusfy and today I'm gonna show you how to create audio video starter effect on Premiere Pro.
Fancy me on a block, go nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading. Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no.
Place the clip on the marker, extend it till the start.
YJ no commented that it's complicated, cause the case still open. The boys in blue trying to find them clues in the station, problem solving.
Paste your FX and velocity, usually I go 60 frames back from the marker, then add my FX.
Free all the guys and rest in peace to all of the fallen soldiers. The world full up of impactive distractions, so we all lose focus. I think out loud, what comes out my mouth, I can't control it. Live yours on a chain, I'm sold it. Soon come out with a custom clothing. Fuck sake, you must be joking. Sid's outside of the cup patrolling. How did they know about the ins and outs? Somebody must have told them. See, don't be on the road.
Now see how it looks like.
Cut you with a local tug. Cause I ran off the plug, but I kept it real and I showed him love. Little bro with a poker touch, where we grow up is so corrupt. Fancy me on a block, go nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading. Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't.
Cut the clip on the marker and add the effect called ice_hotspots. This is a SAPPHIRE plugin, so if you want to get it, you need to have this plugin. Also I'll leave the preset in the description, so check the link if you want to get it. Go on the marker and set -30 on the timecode to go 30 frames back. Cut the video and audio. Take the cut tool by pressing C on your keyboard and cut every 2 frames.
Wanna wine and dine, that's fine. If we go uptown, gotta hold that. Wanna fly Dubai tonight, lastminute.com, I'll book that flight. See, don't be on the road too tough, I still cut you with a local tug. Cause I ran off the plug, but I kept it real and I showed him love. Little bro got the poker touch, where we grow up is so corrupt. Fancy me on the block, go nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading. Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no involvement. In the trap I stay on my own.
Delete every second piece, starting with the one before the marker.
Commented that it's complicated, cause the case still open. The boys in blue trying to find them clues in the station, problem solving.
That's it guys, thank you for watching.